You will not believe how super easy it is to tie this beautiful hair wrap. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can tie this super easy gele head wrap that you can rock to your next owambe. So I have my ashoke fabric and then I make like 3 rough pleats and I just cross it at the back. Yes, I cross it at the back, and the division of my head wrap is 60-40, which means one hand is longer than the other. Now I'm making a twist towards my body, and then I put the long hand on the left side underneath my armpit after twisting it. Then I repeat the same thing for the right side. Just twist, and whenever you're twisting, I've always said it in my tutorial, make sure you are twisting towards your body. Yes, I have to arrange my hair, make sure nothing is sticking out, making sure that everything fits the way it's supposed to. So now I bring forward those twisted ends and then I cross it, I make a knot in the front. But I decided not to do like a center knot. I decided to do a side knot. So my flare is going to be going to the right side of my of my head wrap. Yeah, you can go to the left side, you can go to the right side. It's all depend on you. So and all I'm doing right now is opening up what I have left, and you can see I just form myself a hacky gele head wrap. So I'm just using my pin to secure it down, and can you believe how easy that was? This is super easy. You tie a beautiful head wrap in less than 2 minutes. It's super amazing. It's super beautiful. So that will be my style 1. Let's make another style by rolling in the edges in a ruffle way, and then we're going to use our pin to pin it down. So let me know in the comment section which of those styles do you like most. Is it the first one that is just flame fun, very high hacky, or is it the second one? See, you can rock this one just like this. Yes, this is another style right there that you can rock. Style 1, style 2, which one is your favorite? And look at the side of the gele. Look at it. This is good, guys. This looks really good. Let me know your comments in the comment section, and I just want to roll the other part just to form that ruffle look head wrap, and I'm just pinning it down. And guys, that's it. All you have to do is pin, arrange, make sure you frame your face, and we are so done with this head wrap tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this tutorial video up to this moment, you are awesome. God bless you. Please do endeavor to get this head wrap tutorial. Let it reach more people, your sister, your friends in diaspora. Let them learn DIY head wrap tutorial so that they will not be disappointed when they needed it most. Yes, let's empower them with these super easy to follow tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay productive. God bless you, and do have a glorious and wonderful day as you go out today in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Yes, intercontinental cuisines around the world, fashion and lifestyle, African attire, traditional wears, anything that has to do with Africa, we are ready to serve. Because right now, I have no choice but to follow African Beautiful on all social media platforms so that I can have a chance to stand, to put up with the standard of this wonderful queen that I know from the past. African Beautiful, fashion and lifestyle. 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 Say you want to try, I want to.